What's going on, team? This is your coach, your mentor, Crypto Cliff. Here to show y'all a little something today. Now, look at the title. I know you see the title. How to turn $1,000 into 2,000, 200,000, or $204,000. This is not a joke. This is not a game. This is real deal trading. Now, for the last 6 weeks, I've been going in really, really heavy on the importance of this portion of the cryptocurrency bull market and how at this point right now, this is a pivotal point before the skyrockets, before we start heading up towards $200,000. So instead of just telling y'all, I want to show you exactly where we are in the market right now and how you could potentially take $1,000 and turn it into over 200,000 plus dollars. Check this out. Now, this is my scale. The indicator I'm using right now is called the Adaptive Trend Finder. The Adaptive Trend Finder. This is showing me exactly where the trend of the market is. Now, this is the 3-day chart, right? This is a customized 3-day chart. And these are customized indicators that I put together myself for my students, the Blockchain Bureau Academy. But this trend right here is showing you exactly where the flowing direction of the market is headed. Now, I'm pretty sure you see this hollow, almost heavenly looking indicator right here. This is showing us the full uptrend of the market. The full uptrend of the market. Now, when we dove in earlier this month, or going into March, when I did the very first thinking of a master plan class, we got in, and our goal was to hit right now where we are, $92,000, right? The market started to retract and we refocused, got in on thinking of a master plan part 2. Thinking of a master plan part 2, we got in at the bottom of this base, which was roughly around $74,000. That move created 63 people. The course was only $299.97. 63 people from that course made over $10,000 in 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. 8 people now have made over $100,000 from a $300 class. We'll talk about that a little later. All right. But we got in at the bottom base of that market. And I told them to hold that position. Because what's getting ready to happen next is something that will be monumental, something that will be studied for hundreds of years from now. Because we're in the greatest bull market run in human history, not in crypto history, in human history. There are a multitude of things that's happening right now. And I'm going to put you up on game on a lot of these things. But first things first, I got to show you this move. Now, for anybody who's not proficient in reading charts, you know what red means. Red means the market is going down. Green means the market is going up. Now, this was the last parabolic move for when we actually went up, or what we can call the first tier of the crypto bull market run. Now, we've actively been in the bull market since 2022. But the first tier of the bull market run happened around this point here when we shot up from roughly around 48,000 all the way up to $109,000. $109,000, breaking this first resistance point, making that parabolic move. Now, I want you to pay close attention to me, very close attention. We're now here, the very start. This happened literally 7 days ago. We're at the very start of the next tier of the Bitcoin bull market run. We've been waiting for us to get back at this demand line around 92 to 93,000. We may drop down to 89, 87,000, but we're right there on the brink of that demand line, which means this market is heading into the second tier. The second tier of the Bitcoin bull market run means we're getting ready to go towards $150,000 in the Bitcoin bull market run. And from 150,000, we're heading towards $200,000. Now, what does this mean for you as a person who is brand spanking new, or a person who wants to dive into the crypto futures markets? Many people cannot buy Bitcoin. You can't buy an entire Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is $93,000. Most people are not buying an entire Bitcoin. So, what is the next best option for people who want to dive into the market but can't buy an entire Bitcoin? What's the next motion? What's the next option? The next option is the crypto perpetual futures markets. You see, when you are trading the Bitcoin or the crypto perpetual futures markets, you're not buying the crypto asset itself. You're trading the price action movement of that cryptocurrency, which means you don't have to own an entire Bitcoin for you to trade the price action movement of Bitcoin. Case in point, if you wanted to make a profit on Bitcoin, most people will go to Coinbase, most people go to crypto.com, and you will buy bits and pieces of Bitcoin, right? Bits and pieces of Bitcoin. Let's say you bought $20,000 in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin went from 90,000 to 200,000, which will give it basically doubling the position, doubling that profit. You only probably made $20,000 on that play. But if I was to take $1,000 right now, put it in Bitcoin, put it at 45x leverage, ride the market wave up towards that $200,000 mark, I would make a profit percent gain of $204,737.82. Which would be the better investment for you? Riding the price point action movement of Bitcoin up or buying and holding Bitcoin? Y'all tell me in the comments, which would be the better deal? Which would be the bigger deal? Crypto futures. This is why I teach people how to dive into the crypto futures markets. This is how I've been able to retire over 170 people now. This is the market that one of my top students is making over $2,700 a day trading the crypto perpetual futures markets. So the biggest opportunity in this bull market run is coming directly from crypto futures. Point blank, period. So this Saturday, I'm doing Thinking of a Master Plan Part 4, where I am going to give you the top 20 trades and how to execute those trades in this crypto perpetual futures markets. I'm going to walk you through how to set up your account. We're going to walk through the basics. Now, if you want to become a full throttle crypto futures day trader, a day trader in general, and learn how to do this step by step, we got classes for you. I have one-on-one crypto futures class that I can teach you with. We also have group crypto futures classes. I have coaches who can teach you. But for this Saturday, this will get you in the game. This will be that catalyst that will propel you in building wealth. You see what's going on with the economy right now. We see how bad the economy is. This is the move you need to make, and it's only $199.97. $299.97 has already took over 60 plus people to the $10,000 mark and 7 people to the $100,000 mark. $200 is well enough. That is more than a discounted price for you to excel your financial well-being. This is what's happening in the market right now. This is what's happening. Now, as the economy in itself goes, that's a whole nother topic, which I'm about to do another video that I will be dropping tomorrow about the economy and why the economy is dropping and how everything is shifting within the tech world. But hit me up. Limited slots are available for the crypto perpetual futures. Thinking of a Master Plan class that's happening this Saturday. Hit me up. Peace, team.